Can you believe this is the view you could wake up to every single day? Welcome back to the Oak House channel. If you're planning on moving to Japan or looking for the best share house, make sure you hit that subscribe button for the ultimate property tours. Today, we're taking you inside one of the biggest share houses in Japan, which just opened in March 2026, Social Residence Yokohama Bayview. You already know it has an amazing bay view, but what exactly is an Oak House social residence? Social residence houses are more focused on community, learning, and growing together. But here is the best part. You don't have to be an extreme extrovert to live here. No one forces you to socialize. You have totally privacy whenever you want it, starting right inside your own private room. Let's talk about the cost of living. The monthly rent is only 40,000 Japanese yen, and the utility fee is a 20,000 Japanese yen a month, which covers your electricity, water. Also, internet is free. Your room comes fully furnished with a single bed, a work desk and chair, a refrigerator, and a closet. It's the perfect amount of space for a comfortable single life. And yes, we also welcome roommates if you want to share. By the way, this is the view you'll get every day. I know that rooms in share houses are small. Well, that is true. But look at the massive size of the shared spaces here would absolutely blow your mind. Right from the entrance, you have spacious shoe lockers on the right. Walk straight ahead, you will find a personal mailbox and a community bulletin board with useful local information. Come check out the size of the main lounge. Personally, I'm not a fan of the traditional cramped Japanese apartments because the space is so limited. If you love spending time at home but hate feeling trapped in a tiny room, this lounge is the perfect place to work, relax, and reset your mind without even leaving the building. And look what I found! An outside garden. It's the best season to enjoy the day here. Next up is the kitchen. It's huge, bright, and featured 5 separate cooking stations. It comes fully equipped with all the cookwares, dishes, and utensils you need. All you have to do is bring your ingredients and start cooking. There's also a dedicated dining area separate from the lounge. And for those who smoke, we have the designated smoking room. Because this building is so massive, it comes with an elevator. Let's take it straight to the top floor to see the Sky Lounge. Here we are. The Sky Lounge is cozy, quiet spot to get some work done or chat with your housemates. But the real highlight is right through this door, a huge rooftop terrace with a stunning view. On your left, you can see the Yokohama cityscape, and on your right, you get the beautiful Ocean Bay view. For your daily routine, each floor is equipped with clean shower rooms and a laundry space. You will find washing machines, coin dryers, standard standing showers, and even shower rooms with full bathtubs. Plus, for the girls, for extra peace of mind, there's a secret women-only section accessible only by a passcode. This house is located in a peaceful residential area of Yokohama. If you're wondering about convenience, a big drugstore that also sells fresh groceries and daily essentials is just a 4-minute walk away. For commuting to work or school, you can catch a bus right in front of the house that takes you straight to the Kamioka station. From there, you can hop on the Keikyu line straight into central Tokyo or deeper into Yokohama. That's it for part 1 today's house tour. Believe it or not, this is only half of what this property has to offer. In our next video, we're going to show you the upcoming Sky Bar and the massive Japanese-style public baths completing this August. If you're ready to start your new life in a great community, click the link in the description below to check the room availability. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.